Hi students, welcome to second quarter science with me, Mrs. Kamdar. I look forward to working with all of you guys during our time together. I wanted to explain the Google Classroom to you guys really quick and get you familiar with that. I know that you already know how to use Google Classroom, but I wanted to show you guys Google Classroom for our class. So on the stream, usually you guys can talk to one another and post funny things, memes, games if you guys are playing somewhere on the Steam. Any of that is okay. I just want to make the stream be available to you as a way for you guys to communicate and be in touch with each other and with me as well. Please, nothing inappropriate should go on the stream, okay? So we all know what is inappropriate. Bad language, calling names, not being nice, is any of those is inappropriate, okay? Right now I'm showing you period 5, but if you're in period 1 and 2 listening to this, it's set up the same way, your Google Classroom. Under classwork, you have your Monday Zooms, which is only 30-minute Zoom that you just click on the link and join us. Tuesday through Friday Zoom, I have it over here, and that on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you come to this link to join my class. And then I've posted a syllabus, and some of you may say, what is a syllabus? A syllabus is your guide to a course and what will be expected of you in that course. So it has all the things that tells you what we're doing in the course and what are your responsibilities are listed in here. So if you open this document here, you will get Google Slides with your syllabus on it. And if you click on the magnifying glass and click on the document, it zooms in. I urge you to read this stuff. Here's my contact information. Best way to get in touch with me is on email. Here's a description of what we will be doing in our class. I urge you and your parents to look through this. Supplies, you just need a Chromebook. If you have earbuds or headphones, that's even better. Second slide talks about other things. So go ahead and look through these and look through them with your family. And I currently have only English version, but I will put Spanish as well by the end of the day today. All right, that's it for now, and I look forward to working with you guys. Ciao.